Make a great choice today with the 2017 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, sunroof, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, full-size spare tire. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.